Primetime news this evening. It's formal. Government rolls back child seat requirement for public passenger vehicles. Police commissioner warns against offering bribes to officers as they seek to enforce Road Traffic Act regulations. And later, end-stage renal failure is on the rise. Doctors weigh in.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, solar energy product supplier Fosrich has inked another deal with another microfinance company to finance solar energy products. I'll give you some more details later.
All right. Thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan Fort. He's here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, we all know there are discussions about Portmore becoming the 15th parish in Jamaica. So what are the implications for sports? We examine that in a Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Thank you so much, Jordan. And with a preview of what's to come in weather, here's Romain.
Thanks so much, Janella. Fair skies covering most of the area across the eastern sections of the island today, but things are expected to change tomorrow.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later on in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What other changes do you think should be made to the new Road Traffic Act?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.